Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. Yesterday, I made a simple stir-fry Korean glass noodles with 3 types of vegetables. Colorful bell peppers, sauteed butter mushrooms and bok choy. And here I will feature this recipe which can be whipped up in 15 minutes. Let me show you in this video. First, prepare the button mushrooms. I sauteed these with some light seasoning on an earlier day. Then I wash, rinse and chop some bok choy. I also thinly slice half a red, half a yellow and 1 green bell pepper. The next step is to blanch the Korean glass noodles. First, boil a wok or pot of water. And when the water starts to boil, put in the Korean glass noodles to soften the noodles. This noodle is different from the other types of glass noodles. It is thicker and also easier to stir fry due to its tougher texture. About 4 to 5 minutes will be sufficient to blanch. Pour out and sieve and run some cold water. The next step is to oil the pan with sesame oil or olive oil. Then add in the bell peppers and quickly stir for 2 minutes. Add the sauteed mushrooms and then bok choy. Stir these vegetables until it is softened and add some seasoning that you desire. Here I am using salt, pepper, light soy sauce, oyster sauce and some fish sauce. For a vegetarian version, omit the oyster sauce and fish sauce. Next, add in the glass noodles and use tongs and spatula to make sure all the ingredients are well mixed. You can turn off the heat while you're doing this stirring. Add a bit more oil if it feels dry and hard to stir. Last but not least, sprinkle a generous amount of toasted sesame seed. Japchae is a traditional Korean noodle dish made with this amazing sweet potatoes noodles, also known as glass noodles. The main flavor comes from sesame seeds, soy sauce, sesame oil and sugar, making for a heavenly combination of flavors. So much goodness in this wok of noodles. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more simple, healthy recipes, please like, share, and of course subscribe to be the first to get notified for any great recipes. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to stock up the pantry with this Korean glass noodles. See you again. Ciao, bye.